Hello children. Now in today's grammar class we are going to do noun gender. What do you understand by noun gender? We know that nouns can be either masculine, feminine, common or neuter gender. So there are four kinds of gender. Now, what do you understand by masculine? Masculine means male, and for example, boy. Boy is masculine gender. In your book, there are other examples given. For example, hero, heir, monk, buck, etc. Now, what do you understand by female gender? For example, a girl. Girl denotes a female gender it is. For example, heroine, heiress, noun, do, etc. Now let us come to common gender. For example, a student or an artist. They are common gender because a student can either be a male student or a female. And the same way, an artist can also be male or female, or a teacher. Teacher can also be a male teacher or a lady teacher. So, now we come to neuter gender. Neuter gender, the noun that names a non-living is said to be of neuter gender. For example, table, paper, pen, phone. So, these are neuter gender. Now we come to the next page, and here some words are given and you have to place them in the correct column. The words are cold, twitch, shoes, cousin, house, duke, doctor, milkmaid, pupil, window, cook, pen, empress, waitress, watch, bachelor, guest, host, road, widower. So these are the words. Now start putting them in the correct column. Masculine. Cold. Colt is the masculine of a masculine means here a male horse is colt. Then we have duke, bachelor, widower. Feminine gender. Let us select the words witch, milkmaid, widow, empress, waitress. Now let us come to common gender. Cousin, doctor, pupil, cook, guest. Even a host. Host is also common gender. Now let us come to neuter gender. Shoes, house, pen, watch, road. These are neuter gender. Now here a table is given and you have to fill in either the masculine gender or the feminine gender as is required in the table. Let us come to the first one. Female hind is given. And what is the male? It is stag. Masculine gender is stag. Then feminine gender, duchess is given. The masculine gender is duke. Feminine gender, hen is given. Masculine gender is rooster. Feminine gender, doe is given. And masculine gender is buck. Next one, feminine, duck. Masculine, drake. Next, feminine, filly. Masculine, colt. Next, feminine, nanny goat and masculine, billy goat. then feminine goose, and masculine gander. Now we come to the next one, feminine bride and masculine groom, feminine mother-in-law and masculine father-in-law. Next, lass. Lass means a girl, and the masculine is lad. Lad means a boy. Next, countess, and the masculine is earl. Waitress, the masculine is waiter. Masculine nephew and feminine is niece. 15. Salesman, and the feminine is saleswoman. Next, ram and Evie. These are animals, ram and Evie. Now we come to this next exercise. Rewrite the following sentences after changing the gender of the underlined nouns. The hunters attacked the he, bear and vixen. Now, hunters will become huntress and he, bear will become she, bear, and in place of vixen there will be fox, because vixen is the feminine gender of the fox, which is male. Next, the washerman saved the sons of the priestess. Washerman will become washerwoman. Son will be changed to daughter. Priestess, priest. So this is how we are changing the gender in these sentences. The drake was feeding its duckling. Drake is a male duck, and we will change it and it will become duck. The duck was feeding its ducklings. The farmer had a colt and a he goat. So in place of colt, we will write filly, and in place of he goat, we will write she goat. The wizard turned the boy into a doe rabbit. Wizard is a male, that is a magician, wizard, and it will become change to witch. Wizard is male, we will change it to witch. Boy, male, we will change it, it will become girl. And doe rabbit, buck rabbit. Doe rabbit is a female rabbit and buck rabbit is a male rabbit. Now we come to the next page. Next page, the headmaster called the mother to talk about my progress. It is in place of headmaster, headmistress, in place of mother, father. The emperor and his manservant went for a walk. Emperor will change to empress and manservant to maidservant. The prince was riding his horse. Prince will change to princess and his horse her mare. What is the female of horse? Mare. My nephew is a schoolmaster. Nephew will change to niece and schoolmaster to schoolmistress. The landlady asks the milkman to bring milk. Landlady will change to landlord and milkman to milkmaid. His stepfather was a gentleman. Stepfather will change to stepmother and gentleman to gentlewoman. The bridegroom was receiving the guests. Bridegroom here is a dulha or bridegroom, and it's a male, and we will change it and make it bride so that it is according to the exercise that we are doing. Tips of the day. Most of the nouns denoting occupations are said to be of common gender. For example, artist, author, dancer, editor, engineer, lawyer, musician, novelist, principal, scientist, minister, etc.